Hey, what's up, E-Day? This is Mr. Newhouse, bringing you an exciting lesson during one of the weirdest weeks ever, Orientation Week. So if you're at home working, it means that, well, a lot of you are stuck. A lot of you don't necessarily know what you need to do, and I'm going to show you here. So I've already done this assignment with A-Day. I'm going to have you guys round it out, because while you guys were maps testing, we had an extra A-Day, and they were doing this assignment. So let me show you how to do it. First, you're going to click on Giphy Slides in the Orientation Week assignments. Alrighty, now that should bring you right here, Giphy Slides. You can see that it says Neolithic, Paleolithic, and Mesopotamia. What I want you to do is put your name here. So you're going to put your name here. And now we have all of these weird slides right here. Paleolithic, Neolithic, and Mesopotamia. Let me show you what you're going to do here. Alright, so you're looking at somebody else's work. Hey, Brandon, what's shaking, boy? He's one of my A-Day students, but I wanted to show you what he did. So we're actually going to use this website Giphy, and we're going to be able to use GIFs to represent what you want to say. So he said here, the Paleolithic era is the early beginning of humanity, where we start to hunt and gather, following our prey, moving on to winters, other locations. It's called nomads. They were tall and strong people. Also, they discovered fire during their expeditions to other places, but then something happened. Sprouts start to grow on our trash. Moving on to Neolithic, he says the Neolithic is agriculture and farming, blah, 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 right? So you're actually just going to be putting notes about what you know about each thing. But the cool part is we're going to be using GIFs to represent it. You can see that on his Paleolithic slide, he used these for cavemen. He used this as for nomads, right? On Neolithic, this is obviously farming, and this one is settling down, right? It looks like a city. They're settling down in one place because we know in the Neolithic Revolution, that's what they did. And then down here on Mesopotamia, we have maybe that's Hammurabi. I don't know what this is right here. And you can, this looks like cuneiform or some type of writing, right? So you're going to put the notes that you want in each thing, and you're going to add these GIFs. But how do we add the GIFs? Let me show you. All right, so let's say you're on your Paleolithic slide here. I want you to go to Giphy.com, 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 Giphy.com. We'll go ahead and give you a second to get there, and then hit pause on the video. Let me know when you're on Giphy.com. So let's say that we're at Giphy.com. This is where you're going to get your GIFs from. So you're going to go to Giphy.com, and let's say I wanted to search up cavemen, because we know that's Paleolithic, right? And I'm going to use this one right here, just for the heck of it. Now you see the little link right here? This is going to copy the link. So let's go ahead and click that. Gadoosh! We just copied the link to the clipboard. Let's go see how to use it in our slides once we copy the link to clipboard. Once we copy the link, you're going to click it and copy the link. I'll see you back in the slides. Open up your slides once you copy the link. Alright, so take a look. Now we're in the slides, but how do we insert the cool GIF that we just did? So make sure you're not selecting anything. Go Insert, Image, Insert, Image by URL. Again, that's Insert, Image by URL. Once you have this open, hit Control and V on your keyboard, or you can right-click and paste. But Control-V is the best way, because we copied. Control-V is paste. Control-V. Boom! We got a caveman in there. Let's click Insert, and now we have something representing what we want to put in there, right? Let's say that we want to add, let's do one more together. I'm going to go back to Giphy.com. Get to Giphy, and we'll do one more together. Alright, so let's say that we're back at Giphy. Let's go ahead and type in fire. Or let's say walking, because we know they're going to be walking around. They're nomadic, right? Let's say that this one right here is kind of nomadic to you because he's walking around. We're going to click on the link. We're going to copy it to the clipboard just by clicking the link, and then let's go back into our slides. I'll meet you there. Alright, we're going to go Insert, Image by URL, hit Control-V, and now we have a nomadic person, right? This guy's walking around, he must be nomadic. Now over here, we could say, and remember we're just doing this one together, we're going to say cavemen, cave paintings, right? They have fire, nomadic, all that stuff. And you're going to put little notes here on the left side. Fill up the rest with GIFs. Just put everything that you can think of that's about the Paleolithic. And then I want you to go ahead and do it on the Neolithic era in Mesopotamia. Once you're done with that, you can go ahead and click Turn In on this assignment. Have fun with it. Make it crazy. If you make me laugh, that makes my job less boring. Make me laugh. I'll give you extra credit. Shoot me a message on Instagram or remind if you have any questions. But otherwise, I hope this 5-minute video helped you do your review assignment. Love y'all. Let me know if you need anything.